Oh, what's up? Smoke in my eye. Anyway, good morning. Happy Easter. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody's doing well. I want everybody to be safe out there. Hug the people you love. Right now I've got on about 50 chickens. I'm going to be doing about 100 of them. Just for the people in need that's here in Mart. We stayed here for Easter, and then we'll head back home after we could feed as many people as we could feed. Anyway, you guys take care. Happy Easter. Have a great time. And you want to take a look at some chickens? I just put them on, so. You got about 50 of them right here. 54 to be exact. You think after 30 years I'd get used to the smoke. But you don't.